Hi, my name is Zach, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a film border in Final Cut Pro. First, you're going to start off by selecting your video clip that you'd like to use. Next, you're going to go into the Effects panel, go into the Video Filters tab, select Borders, and there's two options here. We have Bevel and Basic Border. Basic Border is what we're going to go with today. So you just click and drag that to your video clip. And this can be manipulated in the Filters menu. You can say how much border you want or how little, and you can also change the color. We'll just put bubblegum there for now. You will need to render this. Once it's rendered, you will have a bubblegum border around your video. My name's Zach, and I just taught you how to put a film border around a clip in Final Cut Pro. Thanks for watching.